Hey everybody, it's Maddie from Maddie Green Designs, and today we're doing a sticker making tutorial. This is another video in my How to Start a Sticker Shop series. I started my business in May and I have over 5,000 sales, 38,000 Instagram followers, and 200,000 on TikTok, and I want to help you start your sticker shop. I'm going to show you start to finish how to make your own stickers at home. This is perfect if you want to start an Etsy shop or add stickers to your current business. Also how to waterproof them easily. Let's get to it. So I design all of my sticker designs on my iPad Pro 12.9 inch. The app I'm using here is called Procreate. It is $10 on the App Store and it is so worth it for all of your design needs. Right now, you're going to start with designing your sticker. I decided for today's video I wanted to draw a really fun rainbow, super simple, my brand's colors. We're just gonna draw that here. The key thing you want to do when you're drawing your stickers is make sure that the background is transparent. See up there on the layers section? Want to make sure it's transparent. Then you're going to make a new layer, choose the calligraphy monoline brush. You're going to outline your sticker in white as I'm showing you here. This is so the Cricut will know where to cut your sticker. Now you just duplicate each layer and you're going to want to fill the entire page with your stickers. That way you can fill up the whole entire sheet for your sticker paper. Once you're done duplicating all of your stickers to fill the whole entire sheet, you're going to hit the share button. You're going to want to export as a PNG. A PNG just means that the background's transparent. You want this setting because when you share it to your Cricut, you're going to want it to only cut where you put that white border. Next, you're going to want to open the Cricut app on either your laptop or your iPad. I just did it straight from my iPad in this video. Then you will upload your image from your photo library, as I'm doing here. Save it as a print then cut image. You can name it whatever you want. After you name it, you're going to save it, and then you're going to size it. So the biggest size the Cricut allows is 6.75 by 9.25. I set it at 6.5 by 8 inches because that is how big the contact paper is that I use to laminate the stickers and make them waterproof. Next, you're going to want to send it to your printer. You're going to turn off the bleed function. The bleed just makes a big black line around the sticker. You don't need that for what we're doing. So you're going to send it to your printer. I use the Online Labels Weatherproof Matte for Inkjet sticker paper. You're going to want to put the shiny side down in the printer. You will know that the shiny side is down and you have it correctly because the back will have that split. After you print your stickers, you're going to line it up on your Cricut mat. I like to use the standard grip mat. Now it's go time. You're going to want to insert it into the Cricut, put it at the setting Light Cardstock Plus for best results. Sometimes I even do it at cardstock. Now the Cricut is going to scan those black print then cut lines so it knows where to cut. The Cricut then cuts each one of your stickers perfectly for you, no scissors needed. Once the Cricut is done cutting, you can unload your mat. Then you can fold your mat in half to get the stickers off. A lot of people I know just peel the paper off, but for me it works best when I peel the entire mat to peel the sticker off. Yay, you did it! You have a sticker. Now, keep in mind, the sticker is not waterproof, but it is weatherproof. That just means that if you get any scratches on it, it will scratch with this paper. So next I'm going to show you how to waterproof them. As said in my previous video, you can click up here to watch it. I use the Contact Clear Matte Laminate paper. You can buy it at Dollar Tree or Amazon. I cut this into 6.5 by 8 inches squares, so you can put it directly on top of your sticker paper once you're done cutting. This one was a little long, so I had to cut off the edge. Next, you're going to take the top corner, peel it so you can then peel the contact paper. Now here's the fun part. You're going to try to get it on your sticker mat with no bubbles. You won't always succeed, and in this video I did not succeed. I got it on, but I have a few air bubbles everywhere. Don't worry though if you have air bubbles. You can just salvage the stickers that don't have any air bubbles and then try again next time. Use like a scraper or a squeegee too to get the air bubbles out, but just for this video I just rubbed it with my hands. You're going to want to change the setting to Fabric Plus. This allows the Cricut to cut it 2 times through, so it'll cut the entire sticker. Now the Cricut will work its magic again. It is reading the cut lines right now. See the air bubbles? Oh well, what are you gonna do? Peel the sticker off. There you go, now it's thicker, waterproof, and better than the first one in my opinion. Wanted to show you guys a little water and scrape and soap test. The top sticker is the waterproof one we made, and the bottom sticker is just the sticker paper. So the bottom one is weatherproof, so the scrubbing won't touch it. It'll be good. You can put some soap on it and scrub it, it's still good. The waterproof one is also very sturdy right now. The only difference is the bottom one will scratch off because it is not waterproof. The top one is waterproof with the contact laminate, so you are all good there. When you peel them off, there's no residue too, which is awesome. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make stickers at home with your Cricut. I hope the waterproofing was helpful too. Let me know what you want to see next week in the comments below. Good luck!